So today we are going to introduce computer programming, and I am Atul Mankar, PGT Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I would like to introduce the computer programming on the basis of Mr. Dumbo model of computer programming. Overview of this lecture is we will learn a conceptual model of computer, that is on the basis of Mr. Dumbo, a character that is designed by us so that the learning will be made easier. Would be learning Dumbo's tools. What are the tools that are used by Dumbo for making the functions more easier and perform the function that are required by us. We will be learning how to instruct Dumbo by writing a program for Dumbo. So we will be writing a program for Dumbo so that he learn our instructions and make these instructions to use in its own language and then reply by giving us the output. The word terminology that is important is input, output, and assignments. These terminologies we will be learning how to use this terminology so that Dumbo can understand our input and give out us output by doing certain assignments. We'll be seeing the declarative instruction, how it is necessary and what happens if we don't declare the instructions clearly. Mr. Dumbo and his memory. Mr. Dumbo cannot remember anything in his head because he is a machine, and whatever we are going to give instruction to him, only that much he is going to do because he does not have his own logic to make the decisions by its own. So whatever the instruction that we give, that he is going to perform, but he is smart enough to perform all the instruction that will be provided to him. Dumbo uses a cupboard with drawers serving as memory locations. So he has a memory location in the form of cupboard. So this shows that he does not remember anything. So he is always confused that what is to be done. So again we will have to provide the instruction. And the drawers that are used for memory location, they are placed one above the other, and these drawer will be opened and the input is taken or output is given and the drawer is again closed. Mr. Dumbo and his tools. This is Mr. Dumbo. We have made this caricature by using a simple glass so that it represents a laptop or a computer like structure. The second important Mr. Dumbo's tool is the memory location. Mr. Dumbo uses memory location to store all the input values that we are going to provide and to store all the output values too, because that is to be output in the form of any value or any integers, but it has to be stored in a particular memory location. We see that the memory location that are there, these memory location has to be given names. So the names will be provided by us like A, B, C, D to each and every location. The Dumbo paste slips on each of the location as A, B, C, D, or it can be any name or it can be any other integer also. Then if we see, Dumbo has a very important thing, that is a caravan. So it carries the instruction from the input and then carry this up to the memory location and place it into the memory, and then it brings again this back and then it goes to the table for assessment. So this is also an important tool where the assessment is done. by using registers. So he places each and every value on this registers or locations and then calculate and take the output and again go back to the memory location and put the memory store where it is to be located. So can you tell me how does Mr. Dumbo is using the cupboard? Just think of it. Okay, so we have come back and we are seeing that most of you are saying the correct answers. That is, Mr. Dumbo is using memory location to store the input values and output values that we are going to provide and the Dumbo is going to give out. Now the purpose of this model is to construct a application or construct a program that will be used to instruct Mr. Dumbo. The instruction is to be written for Mr. Dumbo can be to get an input value from us and to store it in a name location, say X. We will write the following instruction, that is input X. Then to give us an output value from the named location, say Y, we'll give the instruction as output Y. So we have both input as input X and output as output Y. To perform a computation, say A minus B, and to assign the calculated result value to the named location, say R, we will be writing the instruction as R is equals to A minus B. So we have to find out the difference from A to B. And the value will be stored in the form of R. And the location R will be the one. Now how does the assignment is done, or how Dumbo note the assignment and calculate it? The instruction R is equal to A minus B perform two distinct subtasks. One is the subtask deal with the indeed calculation and the other deals with storing the result of the calculations. These two subtasks are written on the sides by the value that is symbol equal to and a computational expression on right hand side and the name of the location on left hand side. The instruction is said to perform an assignment operation. So this is the assignment operation that Mr. Dumbo is going to perform, and it will, after performing all the assignment, it will assign the new value to R where the location is there in his cupboard. A declarative instruction is very important for Mr. Dumbo. We will use several names in our instructions such as A, B and R, or other than this. Dumbo has to associate these names with a specific drawers. So we have already seen the drawers with A, B and C. So in the same way, we will be using A, B and R as its memory location or drawers. It is important to tell Dumbo about all such names which we use. We design a declaration instruction. So these declaration instructions are very important. We use the three declaration, that is A, B and R. So we use locations A, B, R. While compiling the program, Dumbo will label his memory drawers with these names. So now tell me what happens when we forget to declare one of the input value. A program for Mr. Dumbo is now can be designed. Use location A, B, sum. Input A semicolon. Input B semicolon. Sum is equals to A plus B semicolon and output sum semicolon. This is a simple program for Mr. Dumbo. From this, we can summarize that we have got introduced to Mr. Dumbo, who has a set of drawers serving as memory location, a cart to carry input and output values, a workbench to perform computations. We also define how to write a program for Mr. Dumbo, how to instruct, how the instruction in a program can be for, that is input, output, assignment. We have to declare the instruction to announce names we use. Thank you. Hello. We are going to introduce computer programming. In this session, we would like to learn the Dumbo model of computer programming.